Hi to all of you and welcome to Erasmus Plus Bayaboo for You, our virtual health business apps international network. I'm Pierpaolo Magliocca. I'm an associate professor of management at University of Foggia in Italy, and I'm the coordinator of this project. Today we will discuss about the topic number 3, workshop on opening and organizing virtual hub, virtual business hub. Now, please, we can see our lesson content and objectives. Content are defining hub, virtual hub, and virtual business hub. And we will try to outline opening and organizing virtual business hub. So, objectives and expected results consist in the module introduced to all of you the basic concepts of a hub, virtual hub, and then virtual business hub. And next, we will discuss about the opening and organizing virtual business hub. Please pay attention about the second point. We will try to give you some suggestions and instruments about opening and organizing a virtual business hub. But you will reach the output only if you will try to create a good feeling and empathy with your student. There is not the one best way, best solution. You need to understand the real needs of your students. So, the introduction. What is the virtual hub? What is a virtual hub? A hub online. In recent years, we have seen a lot of platforms emerge. This platform seek to offer remotely located students, entrepreneurs, and startup companies with support analogous to that found within the traditional, for example, in-person and co-located spaces. This virtual hub aims to provide their participants with support such as mentorship, access to investors, investment, and networking over the course of fixed duration and cohort-based programs. In doing so, this platform aims to accelerate the growth of newly skills, knowledge, and emerging ventures. This is currently done by utilizing tools such as video conferencing, learning management systems, and shared documents, as well as building customized software. Communities that want, they can participate and they can open their own hub. Virtual places where teams can meet, train, discuss, prepare themselves as best as possible to face the challenge. Every year, organizations, companies, universities, and other groups and so on open their hub. So we can say that the hub or virtual hub is a community space for people to interact, to work together, to cooperate, to share knowledge and ideas about something or a specific topic defined in advance. The virtual hub is a space for business, a space about business. This new platform have yet to be studied extensively, and research that has considered virtual hubs as principally addressed them as a secondary concern in the broader analysis of co-located study, discussion, and co-working spaces, as focused primarily on their function rather than participant experience, and has not considered how they are supported by user experience design of their technical platform in them. While such studies that reveal the more functional aspects of virtual apps are highly valuable for understanding their operation and informing future platform design. Previous research has shown that the experience and the value of participating in these business programs is also strongly affected by a range of complex non-functional factors. Now, opening and organizing virtual business app. By offering access from anywhere, this virtual app model can provide a number of benefits for a lot of students, interested people, and businesses. But at the same time, virtual hubs present both strengths and weaknesses. In traditional in-person incubators and accelerators, participation relies heavily on co-location in a specific location. This means that participants must often at least move office, if not city or country, to gain the benefits of participation. As such hubs are often found in capital cities or other major population centers, this requirement may extenuate an even contraction of work, talent, and wealth across countries, and as a result cause cultural homogenization and a lack of regional culture influence on products or apps, or simply act as a barrier to entry to those who are not easily able to move their business. However, by adopting a virtual model of incubation, such platform also risk undermining the social and relation aspects that have been shown to contribute strongly to the value of the in-person app experience. So it's important, it's necessary, we have to remember strengths and weaknesses to manage all problems. Opening and organizing virtual business hub, building engagement and active participation in virtual sections. A series of virtual lunch and learn 30-minute sessions designed to increase confidence and skill in delivering and mastering online learning through the platform. During these sessions, it is necessary to guide through the basics to the more advanced functions at whatever level you are currently at with selected platform. The platform is a tool, but this doesn't mean it should get in the way of the very human nature of learning connection. The sections will be practical and very interactive. By the end of these sections, everyone will be able to immediately apply what learned with colleagues and students. Virtual producer training to support online section. Series of workshops for the following groups of people that need to enhance their virtual producer skills. Faculty, teaching faculty, and lectures, teaching associate and instructional assistant who needs to lead or support classes, staff who needs to conduct a training workshop. It is important to prepare or to switch the competencies from in-person environment or in-person classroom to the virtual or online section. For example, I suggest to all of you to invite all persons to switch on their cameras and to participate actively. Virtual Visual Facilitation Light, VVFL sections. This section may aim to train colleagues with essential visual facilitation and graphic recording skill to transform complex information into engaging pictures and images. The sections will give the confidence to sketch simple icons, metaphors, and templates for your work with colleagues, and above all, with students. Participants will adapt the virtual visual facilitation techniques to synthesize key messages discussed, shared in meetings, seminars, conferences, focus group interviews, idea brainstorming session, etc. Certified Virtual Facilitator Preparation and Certification Training Program. Facilitator plays an important role in a well-run meeting by ensuring the meeting is productive, focused, inclusive, and effective. For example, it could be useful to support the explanation with a lot of examples, to ask for if everything is okay or clear, to check the phase of the students. I suggest you to ask for the switching on the camera, to involve time by time one student, and so on. Facilitators have skills in planning agendas, creating productive group environments, developing appropriate group processes, encouraging participation, and leading the group to reach its desired outcomes. These are also essential skills an instructor should have when hosting an online or hybrid class. To act or to an active learning environment. The adoption of educational technology has been gaining popularity in recent years as it helps to boost students' engagement in learning journey. During the pandemic time, educational technology played an important role in creating an active learning environment, both online and in hybrid mode, to keep a good or a high level of attention during all the lectures. We can use, for example, an online collaborative whiteboard platform allows students to collaborate with peers simultaneously within and behind classrooms and collect prompt feedback from teachers during and after the class. Or we can organize and manage our students in sub-meeting room, obviously online. Chicken or egg, course or game, where to start designing your game-based learning environment. We can select an educational game, for example, games that are played not just for entertainment, but for learning purpose as well. And then we have to select between two approaches regarding developing game-based learning activities: gamification, a process of integrating gaming elements into non-game activities to make them more appealing to the public students, or serious game, a game that has a more serious theme and message behind the gameplay that is just for fun. So we can conclude this appointment, and we can check the examined aspects, defining hub, virtual hub, and virtual business hub. What is an hub? What is a virtual hub? and where is its application in business, and outlining the opening and organizing virtual business app, building engagement and active participation in virtual section, virtual producer training to support online sections, virtual visual facilitation light session, certified virtual facilitator preparation and certification training program, and so on. But please, I remember to all of you that this is only a suggestion. There is not the one best way. There is not the best solution, but we have to check during our work if we are reaching our goal. Thank you again for your attention and see you in next appointment. Have a nice day.